It was this close. Actually, it was this close not to press the record button again. So, task number 4, version detection. Extract more information. Let's not get that fast into it. Let's just take this moment and just acknowledge the fact that I pressed the record button in time. Good. Now, task number 4, version detection extraction. Extract more informazione. OS detection. You can enable OS detection by adding the -uppercase O option. As the name implies, the OS detection option triggers Nmap to rely on various indicators to make an educated guess about the target OS. In this case, it is detecting the target has Linux 4 and then version or 5 running. That's actually true. However, there is no perfectly accurate OS detection. Very good to know, there is no perfect accurate OS detection. But an educated guess is greater than no guess. The statement that it is between 4.15 and 5.8 is very close, as the target host OS is 5.15. That's pretty awesome, right? So here we have it. We have the Nmap command, and we also see the uppercase S. So basically scan for TCP SYN and then the operating system. Guess the operating system of this Maciones. And then Nmap is starting. We see TCP is open on port 22, default SSH. And then we see it over here, what it does, the O flag. We see the OS guessing information. Service and version detection. You discovered several open ports and want to know what service are listening on them. -SV enables version detection. This is very convenient for gathering information about your target with fewer keystrokes. The terminal output below shows an additional column called version, indicating the detected SSH server version. We see over here what we see up here, but then we see more. We see the column version, where we have also a version for that with the SV flag. What if you can have both OS version, service version detection, in one option? That would be -A. This option enables OS detection, version scanning, and traceroute, among other things. So -uppercase A enables OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. For scanning, when we run our port scan, such as using -SS, there is a possibility that the target host does not reply during the host discovery phase. That is, the host doesn't reply to ICMP requests. Consequently, Nmap will mark this host as down and won't launch a port scan against it. We can ask Nmap to treat all hosts as online and port scan every host, including those that didn't respond during the host discovery phase. This choice can be triggered by adding the PN. Treat all hosts as online. Skip host discovery. Here is a summary of the commands that we just seen. -O OS detection, -SV service and version detection. -A consists of these two: OS detection, version detection, and others. So basically, we have everything in one and more. What is the name of the detective version of? Okay, so basically we have to detect Nmap. Let's leave it like the default command just to see. I think we'll not get online host for this one, because TryHackMe knows to play tricks. 82.139 and 88, and we'll place it for the top 1000. We'll leave it like this. I'm good. I'm good for the most common 1000 ports. Let's see. Press again enter to see your progress. 66. So in a second will be completed. I guess open No, it's not SSH. Let's see, open SSH. What is the name and detected version of the web server? So the web server, there you go. This is it. Light. Let's see, light TPD. I think I missed a letter, right? Light TPD 1474. Awesome. So this is the basic scan, and let's see what happens if we scan it with, let me see, just one more thing. With -A. Check this out. Let me show you how many options you will see now. So this is what we get with a simple command. And in a couple of seconds it will be done. All right, this scan is complete. Let's see. Let's see, what do we see? Fingerprinting, right? We see also the above ports. So in other words, we see much more information compared to the above one. Cool.